Hello everyone, I am Harpreet. Today I am excited to present a cross-chain lending and borrowing protocol powered by Chainlink price feeds for real-time ETH USD valuation and Chainlink CCIP for secure cross-chain token messaging. The front-end is built using Vite plus React with Solidity smart contracts deployed via Remix ID and wallet interactions managed through WAGMI and Ether.js. Now let's move on to the homepage of the website. This is the homepage of our website, BridgeFi. It is a cross-chain DeFi lending protocol. All of the information of the protocol is written here about how it works. The lenders can lend their ETH and they can also borrow cross-chain. And we are also providing liquidation and repay. This is the cross-chain flow where I have explained users can, on Ethereum Sequoia can lend ETH and receive RTOK receipts. And for borrow, you can deposit ETH as collateral to mint YOK tokens or YOK tokens, which are pegged to $1, which are claimable on Avalanche Fuji. And one more thing about YOK token is that it is a custom cross-chain asset, which I have deployed and synchronized across both Sequoia and Avalanche using Chainlink token manager interface, ensuring trustless interoperability. And at last, health check and liquidation triggers and full repayment mechanics are all built in, allowing users to redeem their collateral by returning the YOK tokens via CCIP. I have also written how I have used various kinds of different Chainlink services here, which are CCIP, price feeds, and cross-chain token manager, are all mentioned here on the website. So this is the complete homepage or landing page of the website. It is available both in dark mode and light mode. So let's start with a demo. Let's start by lending something. So for the lending protocol, right now we are allowing only ETH as an asset on Sequoia chain to be lent in our protocol. And you can, for that, you will get a token as a receipt token for the amount of ETH that you are supplying. And you will also get APY. And you can redeem the interest or the interest ETH tokens only after 30-day lock-in period. If you redeem the tokens before 30 days, you will not get the interest, but you will get your principal ETH back. So right now I'm connected with my this account 3BC2 on Sequoia chain. So let's try to supply it with some ETH. Let's try 0.001 ETH. Let's click on confirm supply. A MetaMask notification will appear here. We will click on confirm. As you can see, the tokens have been successfully deposited and a toast has been shown here. Now, a new user can import this address of a token in their MetaMask wallet, and they will be able to see that you can see that I have got this amount of a token, which represent my 0.001 ETH that I have lended in the protocol. So these a token represent that. Now you can redeem your tokens also from this protocol by clicking on this redeem button, but you will only get the supply APY, or you can say the interest tokens, only after 30 days. And for that, we will take the a tokens from your wallet. Now the lending part is complete. Let's say a user is coming to borrow some YOK tokens. Now the user is coming to, let's say, borrow YOK tokens, and for that he is providing us with appropriate amount of Sequoia ETH as collateral. But the catch is that the YOK token he is borrowing, he wants that token on the Avalanche network, and each Sequoia which he is giving as collateral, it is on Sequoia testnet. So the YOK token is a cross-chain token, which is deployed by Chainlink CCIP token manager. Now let's try to borrow some YOK token using 0.001 ETH. Now our ETH has been deposited as collateral, and the appropriate amount of YOK token which we want to borrow are being transferred from Sequoia to Avalanche Fuji. Now this is the portfolio section. It is showing the total supplied ETH to the protocol. It is also showing the amount of YOK tokens that I have borrowed by supplying the ETH as collateral, and also showing the dynamic value of the health factor, which is greater than equal to 70%. Now for claiming my these YOK token on the Avalanche network, I will need to switch the network. Now I am on my Avalanche Fuji testnet. Let's click on claim YOK. The transaction will appear. Let's click on confirm. Tokens has been claimed successfully. Now, after importing this YOK token of the Avalanche Fuji testnet, you will be able to see that we have 1.7 in your MetaMask wallet also. Now, let's say I want my ETH collateral back and I want to give this YOK token back to the BridgeFi dApp. Let's click on this deposit YOK token. For that, we will need to deposit. Now, the YOK tokens have been deposited successfully. Now, the YOK tokens have been transferred to the contract in the Avalanche network for to claim my collateral, ETH collateral on the Sequoia. These YOK token will now be cross-chain transferred to Sequoia contract. Now, these YOK tokens are being transferred from Avalanche Fuji to Ethereum Sequoia. You can see that 1.7 YOK are being transferred back. Now you will get your ETH collateral back in your Sequoia account, but it will take some time for the cross-chain transfer to happen. Now, Chainlink services used. We have integrated Chainlink data feeds for real-time tamper-proof ETH USD price updates to ensure accurate collateral valuation. Using Chainlink CCIP, we enable secure cross-chain messaging between Sequoia and Avalanche. And with the Chainlink cross-chain token manager, we deploy YOK tokens across chains pegged to 1 USD, ensuring a stable and scalable DeFi experience. In the future, we plan to implement automated liquidation using Chainlink automation to protect protocol integrity. And cross-chain credit scoring system will improve risk profiling for browsers across network. After that, real-time analytics and governance dashboard will boost transparency and user control. Finally, multi-blockchain deployment will ensure broader access and seamless cross-chain interoperability.